My name is Semi Kende from Uniteck International Department, and I'm here to present our product, UNIFIX 100 BM. With the increasing need of energy on board, for appliances such as fridge and microwave, fixing the rigid solar panels on the Bimini is the best choice.
The best way of fixing a solar panel on the boat without the risk of shade and optimizing production is on the balcony, on the hatch, and on the Bimini. For crowded boat or boat with limitations, fixing the solar panels on the Bimini is the best choice.
Currently, the best way of fixing a solar panel on the Bimini is fixing the flexible or slim solar panels on the Bimini. As you can see, lack of ventilation around the solar panels allows you to lose 30% of the actual production. Due to the tough marine situations, waves, there can be micro cracks in the solar panels, deteriorating the lifespan.
The best solution is to fix a rigid solar panel on the Bimini. It is complicated due to the curved axis on the Bimini, vertically and horizontally. With UNIFIX 100 BM, Uniteck succeeded in fixing the problem thanks to its unique two-way adjustable clamp that allows you to fix your rigid solar panel on the curved axis on the Bimini. It is light, allows ventilation, stable, secure, and very attractive.
With my explanations, you can see the benefit of our UNIFIX 100 BM. Thank you for watching.